Hello and welcome to Ali Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how I crochet this beautiful half. I don't know what it's called for now, but this is super cute, guys. I'm going to be using this color, red, yellow, and green, and a bead that you like. Of course, it depends on you. This is a small loop ring, 1.3 millimeter crochet hook, pair of scissors, crochet needle, and a set of pliers for later. So to begin with, using your yarn, make a slip knot. And then grab your loop, chain 1, and make 30 single crochet all the way around. 3 0 2 3 all the way around. It'll meet you there. And this is 30 single crochet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna connect it here and over first single crochet on the other side and make a slip stitch, chain 1, and then make a slip stitch again, three times, 2 and 3. Then into the next chain, do a single crochet, do a 2 single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next. This is the alternate of single crochet into the next stitch and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. And I'll meet you here in the when you have 3 chain left. So once you've done, you should have a total of 30 single crochet. Then you have like 3 stitches plus here in the center one, which is 4. A total you have the slip stitch in here, 1, 2, oops, 3 and 4. Then cut your yarn and weave in the ends. You can either do it now or later once you've done the whole thing. And start with our 3rd row. So you should remember the last single crochet that you made here. 1 and 2. You skip the 2 single crochet and into the 3rd one, insert your hook. Then we're gonna use the yellow yarn. So as usual, make a slip knot first, just to secure the work. then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then skip 4 stitches, and into the 5th one you need to double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a double crochet. Now chain up to 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 again. Skip 4 stitches, and into the 5th you need to double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's in the 5th single crochet, just like that. So as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochet in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And into the last one here, we're going to do a double crochet. So now we got a total of 7 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean 6 chain space and 7 post or 7 double crochet. Turn your work and make a 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Into the next one, still the same, 9 single crochet, and the same as the rest of chain space. And I'll meet you there in the end of this 3rd row or 4th row, 8 and 9. Then chain 1, cut your yarn, and weave in for later. Okay, so now you have to turn your work and into the 5th single crochet, well in the center of the 9th single crochet, which is in the 5th. So let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here, insert your hook, and we will change our yarn color into green. And like I said, as usual, you have the slip knot, or if you can also, you can just direct it there, but make sure that it's fully secured. So I chain 1, then again I'm gonna add another single crochet and chain of up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And again into the 5th single crochet, you need to make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. And again, chain of up to 7, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Continue doing this for the rest of the project. I'll meet you at the end. So after you've done that, turn your work, insert your hook into the very first single crochet that you made there, chain 3, 2 and 3. Again, single crochet into the same stitch and chain 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And in the same stitch you have to insert your hook and make another chain 3, 2 and 3. And again, make a single crochet into that same stitch so you can form like this. And in this chain space, you need to make a 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And again, into the chain 2 space that you made on your previous row, you need to insert your hook in there and chain 3. Insert again and make a chain 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Insert again and make chain 3. 1, 2, and 3, all in the same stitch. And again, make 7 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Continue doing this until you reach the upper part of this end. And this is our last part of the project. And chain 1 and cut your yarn. And then weave in all the ends, and I'll meet you after you've done everything. So now here is our finished product. Then grab your prepare bead and fish up earring. And you're done. Ta-da! Thank you for watching, guys.